Court is calling 2026 CR 008810 and 2025 CR 008697, State versus Isaiah Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Meza.
Andrew Finch for the state.
Henry.
Amanda Hernandez for Mr. Isaiah Gonzalez.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation, there are no applications. State in each cause, I'm sorry, defense in each cause number, have you received all discovery and reviewed it with your client?
I have, Judge.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And each cause number, Mr. Gonzalez, have you reviewed the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, in each cause number? Mr. Gonzalez, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 94, you're charged with assault family household with a previous conviction. And the cause number ending in 10, you're charged with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle. Both of those are third-degree felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter these pleas?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to your plea bargain agreement, the cases will run concurrently. They also will run concurrently with Colorado County cause number 24-088, Kendall County cause number 25-535CR, 25-536CR, 25-704CR. And in the cause number ending in 10, there's a $700 fine. That fine is not to be probated, correct?
On the Daisy, yes.
Is he going to, there are no applications though, correct? So in the cause number ending in 10, the parties have agreed to a $0 fine. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And in the cause number ending in 94, there's a $1,500 fine. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. And there's to be no contact. Just one moment. There's to be no contact with the complainant. State on this case number?
That is correct, Your Honor. The defendant and I are both aware of who the John Doe is, but I believe you don't want me to state his name on the record. Is that correct? Yes.
All right. And there's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition, and you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea in both of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense and state, is that the plea?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states exhibit 1 and all attachments under both causes.
No objections.
All right. And in state, in the family violence case, have you spoken with the complainant?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. State, you may be excused.
Yeah.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. And cause number 2026 CR 008810, the court will find there sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing in that cause number?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only, Your Honor, that there were some mental health concerns addressed with the state prior to this plea, and I will kind of leave it as vague as that unless Your Honor would like to hear more.
Thank you. All right. In that cause number, the court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you to 5 years in prison. Give you credit for any time served. Court will recommend the therapeutic community for mental health. There's a $0 fine. This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 008394. Colorado County case 24-088. Kendall County cases 2025-535 CR 2025-536 CR 2025-704 CR. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. In that cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Mr. Gonzalez, you're under oath. The person who's listed as John Doe in the indictment is the same John Doe that's listed in the stipulations?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then in cause number, sorry, that goes there. All right, then in cause number 2026 CR 008934.
It's 8394, Your Honor. Back to you.
Oh, I didn't say 8394. I'm sorry. So in cause number 2026 CR 008394, court will find you guilty. Court will sentence you to 5 years in prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the complainant. There's to be no residing in households with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. This will run concurrent with the following cause numbers: 2026 CR 008810, Colorado County cause number 24-088, Kendall County cause numbers 25-535 CR, 25-536CR and 25-704CR. Court will recommend the therapeutic community for mental health. All right, and that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
That's correct.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to the attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
With regards to the therapeutic community, I do not have the legal authority to order them to place you in the program. So if you want to be in the program, you are going to have to request it as well, but they'll see on the judgment where I place that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, all right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Maybe
Counsel, yes. Court is calling 2025 CR 006045 State versus Lily Herrera. Can I have the parties announced?
Brandon Ferrer for the state.
Alfonso Otero on behalf of Ms. Herrera.
And are you Ms. Herrera? Yes. All right, Ms. Herrera, you were previously appointed a different attorney. That attorney is unable to appear. Do you have any objections to this attorney being appointed to represent you?
No.
All right, and counsel, do you waive notice?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Herrera, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand that? Are you the same Lily Herrera who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 006045 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, 1 to 4 grams, on February 19th, 2026 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Judge will be proceeding on violation condition number 2, specifically the on or about 26th day of March, 2026.
Excuse me, I don't have a violation of condition number 2. Is there a supplemental?
There should be, Judge.
Hold on a minute.
Okay, thank you.
One that the VA themselves actually.
Thank you. Did you review the supplemental motion on the deferred adjudication?
The paperwork.
Yes. All right. State, you may proceed.
Judge will be proceeding on that violation alone and be waiving all the other violations.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge.
And counsel, if you read violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Judge.
Oh,
No, sorry.
of course, Judge, my fault. For violation condition number 2, specifically on or about the 26th day of March, 2026 in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, Lily Herrera, did then and there consume an alcoholic beverage in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2. Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge. Proposed agreement is to amend conditions for intensive outpatients.
All right, and what's happening with the other the other violations in the other county?
Those other violations are out of county. We're basically leaving them where they lie.
All right, so does she have a bond for those other cases? Does anyone know?
That's for our knowledge, Judge.
Do you
I don't
have a
know.
bond for those other cases?
Right now, I don't know. They said that they're gonna wait till indictment or something like that.
All right, so if they're saying indict, then,
I'm not sure about a bond. I think I do.
okay.
I think what I talked to the defendant is that they're waiting for labs on the two cases.
Because I don't want you to be held in limbo, okay? Probation, is this your recommendation?
Yes.
All right, then the court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Deny the motion and alter and amend conditions to include intensive outpatient treatment with probation and weekly sober support meetings. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, so here's the thing. You are going to need to find out what you need to do to maintain your sobriety. Because while you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink any alcohol. Do you understand? All right, if you need something, let probation know, all right? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Judge. Maybe excuse,
Yes.